In the United States, we've always had a difficult time reconciling our immigrant heritage. In 1982, the Supreme Court ruled that it was unconstitutional to deny children access to public education because of their immigration status. But once they graduate from high school, then the limited options that they have complicates their lives in a variety of ways. DACA was intended to address that, even if it was on a temporary basis. And so the obstacles and challenges that the youth that now have DACA face continue to be the case for those that don't have legal status. So under the current administration, there's two concerns. There's a concern about those that continue to be undocumented, but also we are starting to look at what does it mean if DACA goes away. That would potentially mean that all of those youth would become undocumented the moment that their DACA permit expires. What are colleges and universities doing to support young adults? Our goal in terms of informing policy is to highlight the ways in which these immigrant young adults and immigrant families contribute to the well-being of the United States. Our research suggests that these young adults are highly resilient. They're able to overcome adversity in very impressive ways. Not only are they multilingual, they speak Spanish, English, and many of them also speak an indigenous language, which means that they're able to navigate cultural spaces much more effectively and efficiently than those of us who don't grow up in those environments. Those are things that are precisely what we have been talking about that we need to develop with young adults moving forward into the future as we become more globally integrated. It challenges the prevailing misconceptions about immigrant communities. So rather than criminalizing these individuals that have these qualities that we want young adults to have, our data clearly suggests a need to nurture those assets as opposed to criminalize these young people or marginalize them in a way that results in a subpar educational experience or the lack of higher education access. At the end of the day, we have data-driven decisions to do the right thing and recognize what immigrants bring to the table and to harness that talent effectively.